morning everyone. My name is Bhairvi Sharma. I am nursing tutor in Index Nursing College. Today we will be discussion about relation between brain and human behaviors. The brain. What is brain? The brain is complex organ that controls thoughts, memory, emotions, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger and every process that regulate our body. Definition: the portion of central nervous system that is located within the skull and functions as a primary receiver, organizer and distribution of information for the body. It is related with our psychological functions such as behavior, emotion and all cognitive process of human. Parts of the brain: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, cerebellum, temporal lobe, brainstem. Frontal lobe. Frontal lobe is control voluntary movements, thinking, emotional experience, fear, depression, irritability, aggressiveness. Parietal lobe. Parietal lobe is controls perception, interpretations of most sensory information including touch, pain, smell, spatial ability. Temporal lobe. Control emotion, control motivation, control short-term memory. It also plays a role in the expression of emotions through and interconnections with limbic system. Occipital lobe. Primary area of visual perception, language interpretation, pain perception. Thalamus. It integrates all sensory input except smell. It also has some involvement with emotion and mood. Hypothalamus. It regulates appetite, thirst. Next, sexual behavior, control and regulates maintenance function, example eating. Linked to emotional behavior, limbic system. It's associated with fear and anxiety, anger and love, joy and hope, sexuality and social behavior. Long-term memory. Pons. Pons is a part of central nervous system located at the base of the brain between the medulla oblongata and the midbrain. It is a part of the brainstem. Pons is a regulation of sleep-wake cycle. Medulla. Sensory and motor nerve crossover, coughing, vomiting, sneezing, etc. Cerebellum. Involuntary movement, maintenance of posture, influence memory and learning, and reflexes. Next, relation between neurotransmitter and human behavior. Definition of neurotransmitters. The chemical stored in axon terminals of the presynaptic neurons are called neurotransmitters. Electrical impulses cause the release of these chemical into synaptic cleft. Example: cholinergic, noradrenaline, dopamine, serotonin, amino acid, etc. Cholinergics: sleep, pain perception, coordination of movement, memory retention. Noradrenaline: regulation of mood, cognition, perception, locomotion, regulation of sleep, regulation of cardiovascular function. Dopamine. Dopamine is regulation of movement and coordination, emotion, voluntary decision making. Serotonin. Serotonin is goal directed behavior, sleep and arousal, libido, appetite, mood, aggression, pain perception. Amino acid. Amino acid is slowing down body activity, relay of sensory information, regulation of various motor and spinal reflexes, inhibitors of motor neurons. Thank you.